Hello, dear parents, students, and new learner. Today, I have an important conversation with you. What is the main and purpose of making this video, Mister? Because there are many questions by new learners. Teacher, how can we improve our English language? How we can get a normal level? Because as far as we know, this language is a very important and essential because of being international language. And today we will make a video which is going to be useful for you. The first I would like to mention you, there are 6 levels in English language. Firstly, beginner, second elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and master degree. And each level has it is important grammar and it is important vocabulary. The first, I have a great tips you and advise you. The first, you must learn the grammar of English language, okay? Because imagine and describe that if you don't know the grammar of English, how can you speak, okay? First, let's learn the grammar of English, which is going to be good at for your speaking. And second, you must increase your vocabulary list, because imagine if you aren't aware of the meaning of the word, how can you make a sentence? And third, you must